Welcome back to another awesome Minecraft video. This is going to be the Ghast this time. This one is even easier than the Blaze. This video is super short, super quick, so buckle up. Here we go. Start with a light gray that's been marbled. I didn't blend the color all the way through to give him some shading. I'm cutting it into two squares. They're pretty much the same size. One might be a little bit bigger than the other on the top. For the bottom, it's more flat, as you can see, and I'm cutting lines, not even cutting, just like pressing really deep lines down the sides. Those are going to be the little tentacle things that come out the bottom of the Ghast. The square on the top is going to be the head of the Ghast. I put a little piece of a lollipop stick just to hold the two pieces together with some security. Connect them with a little bit of water and press them into place. And I'm using my wonderful Fondant smoothers to help sharpen up the edges, make sure they line up. For his face, 3 little rectangles. That's it, guys. So easy. If you like this, let me know, and I'll see you for another Minecraft video.